Hello everybody, I'm Akshata Dharini. Let us learn social entrepreneurship today. What is social entrepreneurship? Social entrepreneurship is nothing but the use of techniques that usually a startup or an entrepreneur would use to develop, fund, and implement solutions to social, cultural, or any other environmental issues. It often attempts for goals associated with areas such as poverty alleviation, healthcare, and community development. In fact, there are several entrepreneurs who eliminate social problems or bring positive change in society. For example, Vinoba Bhave, the founder of India's gift movement, or Robert Owen, the founder of cooperative movement of Florence Nightingale. Let us move on to the focus areas of social entrepreneurship. It enhances a person's ability to improve his or her economic well-being and personal dignity through opportunity. Harness aid is found to be more accountable, transparent for lasting development, enabling access to and ensure use of reliable, affordable, and appropriate healthcare in case of disadvantaged people. Address issues related to sustainable productivity. It also lays foundation for peace and human security. It also harnesses the capital and consumer market that drive the change by considering all costs and opportunities, transform the way water is managed and provided long term for both people and agriculture. Let's move on to the role and importance of social entrepreneurship. There are three roles: employment development, innovation, equity promotion. In employment development, the first major economic value that any social entrepreneurship creates is the job and employment estimates, which ranges from 1 to 7% of people employed in social entrepreneurship sector. Second is innovation or new goods and services. Social entrepreneurs develop and apply innovation important to social and economic development and develop new goods and services. Issues addressed including some of the biggest societal problems such as HIV, mental ill health, illiteracy, crime and drug abuse, which importantly are confronted in an innovative way. Third is equity promotion. Social entrepreneurship focuses a more equitable society by addressing social issues, by trying to achieve ongoing sustainable impact through their social mission rather than purely profit maximization. Next is social entrepreneurs. Who are social entrepreneurs? These are the people who take up innovative path or solution to solve any social problem. They are people who possess a very high level of motivation and visionaries and who also aim in bringing up change in the society. They create and recognize new opportunities to serve. They act boldly. They involve in innovation, adoption, and learning. They also exhibit accountability. Examples of uh, what social entrepreneurs do are: eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality and empower women, reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases, ensure environmental sustainability, global partnership for development. Let's move on to the qualities of social entrepreneurs. These are ambitious, mission driven, strategic, resourceful, and results oriented. In ambitious, they tackle major social issues from increasing the college enrollment of rate of low income students to fighting poverty. They operate all kind of organizations such as innovative, non-profit, or social purpose ventures and hybrid organization. Second is mission driven. It is the central criteria of successful entrepreneurs, while wealth creation is a part of this process. In strategic, like business entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs seek and act upon what may such as create solution, and invent new approaches that create social value. Fourth is resourceful. Social entrepreneurs have limited access to capital and traditional markets. As a result, they need to be skilled and mobilized human, financial, and political resources. In results oriented, they are driven to produce measurable returns. They transform existing realities, open up new paths for marginalized and disadvantaged, and unlock society's potential to affect social change. These are about the qualities of social entrepreneurs. Let's move on to the role of technology. Technology plays a very important role here. Internet, social networking sites have become the important resources for success and collaboration of these social entrepreneurs. Using wiki model or crowdsourcing approaches have enabled to collaborate on joint online projects. Even IT skill would enhance the employability in future. Moving on to the problems faced by the social entrepreneurs. These are the few problems such as funding, strategy, and long term focus, remaining true to the mission, lack of skilled manforce, social and cultural effect, and lack of government support. These are some of the famous social entrepreneurs: Bill Drayton, Mohammed Yunus, Sanjeev Bankar Roy. Bill Drayton, he is the recognized as pioneering social entrepreneur who founded Ashoka, Innovators for Public. Second is Mohammed Yunus. He founded Grameen Bank in 1983, and Yunus was awarded the Nobel Prize for creating Grameen Bank in, to empower villagers. Sanjeev Bankar Roy, he had a privileged upbringing in India. He founded Barefoot College in 1972, which was a solar powered college which mainly helped the poor. Moving on to the governance of social entrepreneurship. It is defined as a system and processes that ensure the overall direction, effectiveness, supervision, and accountability of an organization. It also includes governing boards, monetary systems, and signalizing mechanisms, etc. They must balance financial responsibility and social impact, and must coordinate among multiple stakeholders grouping including investors, employees, regulator, clients, and beneficiaries. That's all for the governments of social entrepreneur. Moving on to conclusion, it is a major path in future development in India. Here, success is not mentioned by financial gains, but number of people these enterprises are able to reach and create a positive impact. These are the references I have referred to. Thank you.